Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? It's a beautiful Saturday morning and I'm back here in San Jose for another succulent shopping. Whether you are new to succulents or you just want to grow your collection, I recommend visiting a farm because you would see different kinds of succulents and you have a lot of options and you would get it for a reasonable price. By the way guys, I just want to share with you my favorite gear while gardening. Because I have sun allergies, this helps me protect my skin against UV rays. If you're interested, please check out the link in the description below. I didn't realize that there's a smaller version of this. I don't wanna spend so much money for this one, so I'll pick the one that's in a small pot. Okay. Oh, not this. Looks like there's pest in here. This looks healthier. Okay, let me check the leaves. It's not falling apart. Okay. Okay, I like this one. But let me figure this out. Just make sure. Oh, parang may pest. So here's the newest addition to my collection.